friends, let us learn some new words to describe the nature with meanings. So, the first word is serene. Serene means calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Our next word is soothing. Soothing means offering comfort, calmness, and relief. Our next word is picturesque. Picturesque means visually charming or quaint, like a painted picture. Next is breathtaking. Breathtaking means so impressive, beautiful, or astonishing as to take one's breath away. Then the next word is tranquil. Tranquil means free from disturbance. To learn such more words, do follow our page. Thank you.